Good day, everybody. We're doing a little bit of a test here with the filming. I have wrapped up the floor video, framing video. I cut it short. I didn't put the sheets in. I'm going to save that for the next video. I cut it short just so I can get started on the video editing process and get you guys a video uploaded. But it turned out to be 17 gigabytes for a 38-minute video. That's insane to me. I don't know what happened. I have been experimenting with filming in 2K, so I'm right now filming in 1080p. So that'll make the file size a little bit smaller. I'm going to look into, I'm going to see if the video editing software I'm using has a way to compress the file. Well, first I'm just going to see if filming in 1080p helps, because it's just, that's going to take days to upload. 17 gigabytes, that's insane for 38 minutes. But it's uploading. That's about 24 hours of uploading. It's probably about 20 hours. Oh, I'm not even a quarter way there. So yeah, a little test today. See how I can reduce the file size. See if going to 1080p helps, because that's ridiculous. 17 freaking gigabytes. There's a couple options I can try. See what I can figure out. So stay tuned. I'm working on stuff here. Got a video coming for you. I'm gonna start the next one hopefully today. I got the steel for the floor. I'll finish that up here soon. The framing was a lot of work. Had a lot going on in that. Busted out the stick welder. Got some use out of that, so that was fun. So I'm going to edit this video and upload that with my phone. That is, not going to be any quicker. I have 3 megabytes of upload speed from the house internet. The phone is only getting a quarter of a megabyte upload speed. So it's not much of a better option to go to the phone. But I'm going to use that to just get this test video uploaded and let you guys know I'm working on stuff. Video is made, it's coming. It's just, it turned out freaking huge, and it didn't used to be like that. I've filmed in 2K before, so I need to try and figure out what the heck happened. It's a little frustrating. Growing some celery that I had purchased from the grocery store. Get some peanuts. Bought some seeds off eBay a little while ago of some raw peanuts, and they are a few years old, so I thought I'd sprout a couple and see if they're still good. And yeah, we still got some peanut seeds. So I got a little mini garden over here. It's been enjoyable to watch and tend to. Oh boy, triple digits yesterday. Today's not so bad. So we're gonna get started on something here soon. Stay tuned, everybody. Lots coming up. If you all have any advice on the video editing stuff, let me know. I did a quick search on the internet, and it says to maybe try a compression or something. I don't know. It's never done this before. I've never seen my videos come out so freaking big. It was estimated to be 1.3 gigabytes, which is about normal, but for some reason it just came out huge. So any advice would be great. Stay tuned. I'm working on it. Get some videos coming. Okay, that first clip I just filmed was 5 minutes and 35 seconds. It came out to be 1.76 gigabytes for 1080p. That seems kind of big to me for a little 5-minute video off the GoPro. So I'm wondering if it's the GoPro for some reason is... I don't know. I need to maybe check the settings on the GoPro. I kind of don't think it's that, though. Yeah, 5-minute video. That's huge for 1080p. So anyway, let's wrap up the video with a little shot of the new PC. I got this a while ago. Like I said, I sold some things out of my storage unit and was able to get this really freaking awesome upgrade. I am so happy with this PC. I can edit videos lightning fast. I am shocked at how fast this thing can edit videos. It wasn't even the one I was looking for. I was looking at an actual video editing PC at Best Buy, but they were sold out of everything except this gaming PC, and so I said, well, I'll try it out, and boy, it is freaking awesome. So I'm really happy with that. Video editing process goes so smooth. Everything is great, except for the video size. So I don't know, I'll keep working with it. Stay tuned, everybody. Lots coming up. Okay, I found some options. Video compression. I'd have to Google what those mean. MP4 is what the original video file format is. So I think you should stay with that. Video quality, default file size. I really don't want to bring down the video quality. I didn't have to do that before. Lossless, I'm not really sure I know what that means. I did try exporting this video that I'm filming right now. I'm adding on to it, both in what I normally do and in lossless, and the file size was exactly the same and the video looked exactly the same. Audio, AAC or MP3, preferred channel numbers, audio quality. I don't think audio is very large. I don't think that's going to make a huge difference coming off the GoPro. Or maybe it will. I don't know. If any advice, you guys let me know. What should I do here? What should I do? What should I do? I'm going to try the MP4. You can see that this is estimating it to be 190 megabytes, a nice small file size. And it is coming out to be 1.56 gigabytes. For a little 5-minute video, what the heck is going on? Okay, that did bring the file size down a little bit, but not a whole lot. Not as low as what it's estimating it should be. So, I don't know. Any advice would be wonderful.